recording me.
I'm filming your reaction to this.
Do I look okay?
Yes, look fine.
Went to prison for her murder. Then an accident made me the impossible. To the outside world, I'm an ordinary forensic scientist, but secretly, I use my speed to fight crime and find others like me. And one day, I'll find who killed my mother and get justice for my father. I am the Flash.
Previously on The Flash.
And a honeymoon isn't a honeymoon without my ties.
Ronnie!
Can't remember whatever happened.
I wanted him to be my husband.
I have watched you be in love with Iris since you were old enough to know what love is.
Oh man. It's so scary, that scene.
He killed my mom.
Did you watch the Arrow episode with Flash in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, is there another one? What? Who's that? Who's that? Wait, who's that?
That's what it
I
was.
said one day earlier.
Yes. Was that not crazy?